Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Major, let's go! You're on!
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPS.
Wel ten eerste.
Ik ben moe. Rustig.
You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Ingredients is back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
tree hugger.
It ain't a real road trip. We gotta drive it ourselves. Take our time.
but-
Wander the back road.
You are absolutely a real truck. You got the special lights up top.
That last magical birthday wish I made was a good one. Will my next magic...
Spinning dragon attack!
Of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Sneak through that window!
What does that mean?
Go!
No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos?
Don't worry, Mama! Big Queen is very sad! Baby bottom today!
Favorite thing.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra, citadino?
No tanto como la mía.
Motivated and encouraged. And it's all thanks to you. Yeah, good luck.
Switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural sustainable
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
Con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo contra el...
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward to.
Wow,
doubt he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Trooper responding. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
You can't sleep. You are loser.
Just what likes of this McQueen is really getting him into the zone.
Miles Axelrod in an attempt to become the first car to circumnavigate the globe without GPS.
Rusty Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, Rusty's medicated bumper pump.
More talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really?
But you're stupid.
Queen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
One close finish. You sure made Dynaco proud. Thank you.
Well, Tex, you've been good to...
Camera on the oil platform. Now, you will witness what it really does. Whatever you...